Hi guys, today I will explain how to connect Xbox with Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application and sign in your account, which you want to connect with Xbox. The next thing is click on the option Create a new video to get access to the timeline of Clipchamp. Once you are on the timeline, you will see a lot of different options for editing video. But from here, take a look on the left top, you can see the option of Import Media. And just next to it, you can see an arrow. Click on this arrow, and here you will see multiple options for connecting account. From here, you have to select Xbox. Once you will click on it, tap on the option Continue, and here your PC browser will be open and what you have to do. Enter the email of your Xbox account, and click on the option Next, and write your password, and then confirm it. Once you will confirm your Xbox will be connected, then you can directly import your Xbox data to your Clipchamp. You don't need to download anything, and it was the way by which you can do it quickly.